decided to go somewhere, something different. What are you getting now?
An El Camino.
El Camino? G-body?
Yeah.
What year?
I haven't figured it out yet. Not that far in.
Yeah. So what all did you guys do to this?
Here is pretty much neat really much done that I've done to it.
Are these original rockers, or did you guys?
Yeah, those are the original rockers. I did have an extra set, I believe, down in the garage.
Did you guys have to patch them at all, or?
No, I haven't done nothing to the car.
Oh. Okay.
Except for a set of wheels.
Okay.
I put a new steering column in it as well.
You said you had Monte Carlo wheels. Is that what these are?
Yeah, these are SS wheels.
Okay. Okay. Let me check it out real quick.
You're good. Go ahead. The hood's not all the way connected. It's just sitting on there. Right. Put a different head. That's a fiberglass hood as well.
Okay.
Oh. It's a factory fiberglass hood.
So will it fly off while I'm on a highway, or?
I'd run a strap across it just to be on the safe side.
All right.
But it is latched down right now.
It is latched down?
Yeah, on the front end, but it's not on the back. It does.
Okay.
It's already got your LS swap plate back there set away. It's got the AC delete box for it. It's got new radiator with dual fans hooked up already.
Where's all the original harness at?
All back there.
Okay. Lights and everything work?
I have no clue. I've never got around to actually starting a car or having a battery in it.
How you doing, fella?
Not bad, boss. Hey, did you look under here? Who that set off on it? Oh, you already saw him. I told him you got that box in there in the garage. Didn't go to it.
Hey.
If you wait to see if he wants it, we'll use my ramps because I got some real heavy-duty good ramps, man. They should set right up on that.
Yeah, these work. I mean, but if you got other ramps.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're on the side.
Man, you might have almost lost that one. Look. There ain't a pin in it. Is the other one still in that side?
Oh, shit.
Yeah, there's a pin in this one. It ain't even all the way through, but it's there.
I'll find something to put in there for you.
I got some pins in the
You know
garage. I'll
what?
hook you up.
That's crazy.
I mean, if you came from that far.
Hey, yeah, you come all the way from Columbus, Delaware with that sucker, hey.
Damn.
That's a ride.
It came out.
Damn. Shit.
It's a damn good thing.
That light's broken too?
I mean, if the light's on, you can see the light on, but
The lens is broken.
right. But the light is on.
Heck, it works. It's still there. That's all that matters.
I don't even see a plate on this thing.
Yeah, it's up here on the fender.
Oh, okay.
It's October 20. It might be.
Yeah, it's good, so.
Yeah. Good till then.
I mean, this quarter looks really good.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like maybe they put some. Is this like been like an over?
There's one spot right here. See this? Right here. And I think that was. Yeah, that's what done on that side. Did you see the frame connecting thing I was trying to explain to you about
Yeah.
over here? Hey, that there, I think the dude paid like it was when they first come out with them, he paid like $1,000 for that thing. But it's got 4-wheel disc brakes under it, posi tractor, and I mean,
It's got all brand new shocks under it as well.
yeah, every part under that suspension. I can give you the phone number.
I just need to make sure. I need to look at the floor.
Hey, check them all out.
There is a spot right there on the driver's side where it's down.
Oh, right there, yeah. You can.
That's fixed right there. It's completely tucked over onto the side of
Oh
the
God. Yeah, it's all the way through.
There's just plenty enough to get you up here on the solid part. Right here to breathe weld metal right to it. I mean, all in all, for the year of the car, man, it's not a bad car, all in all. Where'd you put all them extra parts to it, Caleb? Huh? In the basement. He's got all the ground effect pieces and stuff for it in the
That
basement.
just pops right up.
I got you. Here, I'll hold that up for you.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I'm kind of wanting something a little. I know you're not asking a lot for it, but I'm kind of wanting something a little cleaner.
Gotcha.
Something a little cleaner, just to start with. And I'm probably, asking for too much for the price I'm trying to pay, because it ain't too many out there. They're all. I mean, they're not cheap.
Right. Oh no. I mean, this here one. That plate guy. Sitting in there because the city will come by and fine you for them if they ain't got a tag.
Really?
Yeah, I owe their asses here, dude.
So you guys selling this lot?
My neighbor guy, he owns the car lot over here. He's just getting old and retiring. You know what I mean?
So he's selling this for 12,000?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's not a bad lot, but I mean,
Is it for residential or commercial?
it's business.
Oh, it's business?
Commercial, I think.
Because it was already commercial.
Right.
But if you go residential, you probably never be able to get commercial again.
Never after that. Once you go residential, it's hard to get them to go back to commercial. I know that.
You only 12,000 is not bad. But
Not bad.
people here are gonna be pissed. You in here at midnight and shit like
Hey,
that.
I do a scrap metal business. Me and my little brother will be out here at 12:01 in the morning tearing air units down, you name it. I'll pull in here with that trailer loaded with 10 fucking rooftop air units on it, cutting them apart and tearing them down. They don't say nothing to me. Hey, it's kind of one of them neighborhoods you